Hello, today is November 10th, and I would like to focus on a few highlights from our council meeting today. We started with two proclamations. The first is that next week is Métis Week in Sturgeon County. More than 1,000 of our residents identified as Métis in the last census, and it's important for us to recognize the important role that Métis people have played in the foundation and development of Sturgeon County and the contributions that they continue to make. The other proclamation was that on November 27th, we will observe Go Purple Day. The color purple and the purple ribbon have been widely adopted as a unifying symbol of courage, survival, and the dedication to ending family violence. And on November 27th, we're calling upon everyone in our community to support those living with family violence by knowing where to turn. Together, we can link our neighbors, friends, and family to the resources that promote healthy relationships and freedom from family violence. A couple of upcoming high-priority stakeholder events that I'd like to tell you about as well. The EMRB, or the Edmonton Metro Regional Board, is leading a process to collect feedback from stakeholders on how future land use policies can shape agriculture through a Regional Agriculture Master Plan, or RAMP. This is not a Sturgeon County-led initiative. However, the outcomes of RAMP could potentially impact the way our residents, landowners, and businesses can develop their land into the future. The EMRB has already started to collect feedback into RAMP through the region, and for Sturgeon County, the EMRB has scheduled virtual sessions on November 12th and 16th, and in-person sessions hopefully on November 21st. For more information, please visit letstalkramp.ca. Council's complete update is provided below, but I wanted to focus on a few items. Today, we filled 12 vacancies, appointing members to the Ag Service Board, the Assessment Review Board, the Callahoo-Villeneuve Sand and Gravel Advisory Committee, the Community Service Advisory Board, and the Economic Development Board, the Subdivision and Development Appeal Board, and lastly, the Transportation Advisory Committee. Thank you to those residents who have stepped forward to serve. Sturgeon County's boards and committees play an important role in providing input to Council when making decisions on issues facing the county. And Council appreciates the efforts and the time commitment of community members dedicating their service to the county. I would also like to thank all of those who came out to Callahoo last week to take part in the Resource Extraction Open House, and all who have taken time to complete the survey. If you haven't sent in your thoughts on the future of resource extraction, we've extended the survey for another week, so visit sturgeoncounty.ca/resource extraction. And finally, on Wednesday, we recognize the men and women who have fought for freedom and that we enjoy so much in our country, and those who continue to protect Canada's security at home and abroad, even in this ever-changing world. As we are unable to gather in our traditional places, we've partnered with the town of Morinville and invited our residents to stand on their front porches and pay their respects to our veterans for 2 minutes at 11 a.m. tomorrow, November 11th. Too many have paid the ultimate price for our freedom. Let's use that freedom wisely by taking care of each other with the full knowledge of the heavy price that's been paid. This is one small thing we can do to honor those who have and who continue to fight for our freedom. That's my update for today. Remember to check out the site for the full recap. I'll see you in 2 weeks, but in the meantime, wash your hands, watch your distance, and please wear a mask.